Hallo, kan julle my hoor? Julle hoor my nou te kan hoor. Ek is besig om Hello. I'm just busy setting everything up here. I thought, well, we can somewhat do it together. I just want to add one more thing here quickly, which is a notepad. Okay, amper by julle. One more video capture. Set. Okay, and this must capture. Hey, waar is die kamera hier? Aha, hier die kamera. Nou is net daai regmaak. Of ons moet hom net so draai. Bye. Ugh. Boys, is dit reg so? Alright, ons dit so hou. Almal kan lees hier bo ook. Sorry, dis hier so. Alright. Okay. Ja, ons seker maar in Engels doen. In Engels wil doen. Guys, if there's English speaking people, just let us know if we must do it in English. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wing it in Afrikaans the whole time. Oh ja, okay. Ons sal nou nie meer hier wees nie. Nou wil ek kyk, one more thing. Oh, okay, I see. I need to change it here. Alright, guys, just hang on. We're gonna become a pro at this one day. We're gonna become a pro at this one day. Okay. Alright. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I thought about it. Ek het lank gedink hieroor. Of ons dit wil ek groot begin, wil ek klein begin. En toe het ek gedink aan die algehele bedrag wat enige ou sal het om mee, jy weet, te begin trade. So op financials het ek vir my klein bietjie meer gegee as die $100. Ek wou $100 op goud ook, maar dis vir my net te min. Vir my comfort zone. So ek klein bietjie meer gegaan. Ons gaan na R3.500 toe. So kan julle die history sien as ek dit hier sit. Kom ons sê gou custom period today. Okay, hy gooi dit nou wel. Okay, hy gooi dit nou maar so. So ons het R3.500 ingesit hier onder. So dis waarmee ons begin vandag. En dan vir synthetics het ek begin tot $100. Start. Maar nou Nee, ek gaan definitief nie 0.01 lot, so ek kan nie dit doen nie. Maar so ons begin met R3.500 hierso. Ons op financials, right? En dan op synthetics klein, as ons nou teruggaan na die ene toe. Moet ek nou net oopmaak. En ons gaan nou custom period op die ene. Today. Het ons met iets op deposit $100. So op die account $100 begin en op die ander account R3.500. So that is the we're going to start small. We're going to grow together. We have a daily goal every day on YouTube. We want to grow it 10 to 50%. 10 to 50%. That's the growth we're looking for. If we can get more, we're going for more, obviously. We're going for it. Okay. Let's get into the charts. Let's leave this one. I just want to know why is I must bring it back up. I see. Okay. Okay, let's just edit this so that we keep track of this. So this one is $203.33. And then this one on gold is 1871.19. You know, straight in rand now, né? Ons gaan nou in rand trade, so note that. It's not $3,500, it's rand. $1871. Nou net ons dit daar sal dit nou weer. Soos ons gaan adjust. Alright. Okay. Let's start to a bit for beginners. This is something I used and still use to this day. For the guys, I've been getting this question a lot about indicators. Let me record this as well so that I can put it to you guys now. So I'm going to start recording as well. So we're going to go to so here's what we're going to use. There's two moving averages as a beginner you can use to help you. So first of all, let's just start by putting them in. So we're going to go to insert. We're going to go to trend and we're going to click on moving average. So we're going to go to insert. We're going to click on trend and we're going to click on moving average, right? Then you're going to add the 55 moving average, the period 55. Give it a color, give it red, and press OK. Then we're going to go to insert again. We're going to go to indicators again, trend again, moving average again, and we're going to add the 100 moving average. And let's make this one yellow, okay, because we're on a black screen. All right. So what these two moving averages indicators can also tell you gold's in an uptrend or downtrend. But okay, this you can obviously see, no matter the time frame you are. So if you put it on the 1 hour and your 100 is below the 55, you can see how it's breaking away from each other, which is indicating the uptrend, the switch here and the uptrend. So I use this on the 5 minute. On the 5-minute time frame, this can be very, very potent strategy to use. Let me just get back here. Okay. So very simple how to use this. Very, very simple is, and very important to note this part. When the 100 moving average, which is the yellow line, is running below the red one, right? So the 55 is above the 100. Then we want price. Yes, moving average. So we want price to, from the top side, to move and touch the 55. I'm going to say it again. When the 100 moving average is moving below the 55 moving average, we want the candlesticks from the top on the 5-minute time frame, from the top to come touch that 55. Then you can go for a buy. You know what I love about this move? Your stop loss is just below the 100. Your stop loss is a couple of pips just below the 100 moving average. Now, if we have to go look at it, let me just put the auto scroll off quickly. So let's say it moved here. Look here. So the yellow line, the 100 moving average, is moving below the 55 moving average. So every time the price comes from the top side, and touches the 55, you can go for a buy. Right? Look here again. Touches it, you go for your buy. Touches it, you go for your buy. Where's your stop loss? Below the yellow line. $3 or $4, $2 or $3, depending on your risk value. Below your 100 moving average. All right. So if you started on the 11th of July, the whole of the 11th July, you move the markets by just using this strategy. All right. It's a basic, it's a simple one. There's a bit misconception towards it. That's why I put in a rule where the candles has to come from the top side. To touch it, then you buy. Only if the 100 is moving below the 55 in this case. Like we got here. This was Friday. This move here. Friday. This data. So, candles come from the top side. You enter your buy position, your stop loss is below. The same. Stop loss is below. Look, doesn't take you out. Stop loss is below. Doesn't take you out. All right. Now, you're going to buy. Stop loss is below. You're going to get back into break even. You're going to come, you're going to buy. But now, they're going to cross. So, here's an example of when you're going to take a loss. Here's the example. So, when this is not very effective is normally when price is consolidating. When price consolidates, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is where they indicate this strategy does not work that well, right? But if it's in a continuous downtrend or uptrend, beautiful to use this. You'll make big bucks, right? Now, can you see the loss? And you have to take it. You bought at the bottom, but now once it does this cross, start leaving it. Because look what happens. After this first cross and going back, the loss came. So this is an indication of, hey, okay, get out. The two cross with each other, indicating that price wants to move in a different direction, start moving in a different direction, start moving in a downtrend, or start consolidating. You're done. You take your last buy, you're done. You don't get back into it. Okay, that's how you can prevent this loss. But let's say you didn't, you lost below the 100 moving average and you out. Then you have to wait for it. You can't trade when it's doing this. As soon as it's crossing over with each other, the market doesn't know where the fuck it wants to go. Right. Then you leave it. Okay. So now currently we will see, te handdruk